Hello, and welcome to the Tower Coffee Hour. This is your host, Preston Otai Tyree, and I'm out on the site of the future in Mueller, Texas. Icon, the company that makes printed houses, is out here and will start printing sometime later this week. But here's the structure. That is your 3D printing machine to print houses. Pretty impressive. So let's take a look around and see what they're up to.
Conditioning or magma, which is the part of the robot that does all of the batching.
Okay, so that makes the concrete
Yeah, it
mix.
makes the mix. Yeah,
Okay.
and it pumps it to Vulcan, which is what extrudes it.
And the
deposits.
Vulcan, I love it. Yeah,
It's all
okay.
a play on volcano.
Yeah. The whole vision of being able to print houses, it's just intriguing. I'm an engineer.
Oh, okay.
So
Yeah. For sure. Yeah, we're really excited
so
about it too. Absolutely.
and it just it's the damn future.
Yeah, it is the future. That's
Yeah.
what we think.
So it looks like they've got old foundation board, and then they set up these tracks on both sides so that the Vulcan machine, which is the actual printer, can run on these tracks and print the house in between. And there's a side view of the Vulcan machine. Now you can see the way it sits on those rails. And it's going to be later this week before they get it, as you heard from Ryan. Interesting rails. So there are the rails that the Vulcan machine runs on. Right there. And foundation is all set and good. They poured the foundation with curves because the house will have curves in it. And there's the rail on the other side for the Vulcan machine. Now let's go see if we can find a little bit closer view of the Vulcan machine. And there's the thing that pulls the machine back and forth. And big tubs to mix in, it looks like. And then there's the Vulcan machine right there. I guess it goes up high enough to get in one whole story. Let's see if we can get a little bit better shot from back in the alley. Lots of equipment. Yeah. So there are the rails. And this is a construction site. Okay.